And I'm from Sass and Braids, and welcome back to my channel. Or I should be technically welcoming myself back because I haven't actually posted in about a year. So I'm sorry about that if you are a subscriber. If you're new here, how are you going? I'll try and be better at this YouTube thing. But today I am bringing you a new tutorial, and it is how to clip in ponytail extensions. Today I am working with Erabella hair extensions. I have from Erabella Hair 20-inch ponytail extension. It is 140 grams. She's super nice. There's nothing better than new extensions. I have not used these ones yet. I kept them good for this video, so I'm very excited. This ponytail extension is 100% human hair, and you can get it in the link below. I've got their website where you can buy it. So I'm going to show you the inside of these extensions. They have a little Velcro bit right here that helps it wrap around, just right there. And on the inside we have one clip that clips into your ponytail. This bit here, this weft, is actually what helps hide your natural hair and keep it blended and hidden in the center. This one here, there's a few different types of ponytail extensions, but this one comes with the added hair on the side, so you can easily wrap it around to hide any clips or extensions. Now step one for this is super easy. You're literally just creating a ponytail in your own hair. Now whenever I wear ponytail extensions, I go for the high ponytail slicked back Ariana style. Now you do not have to slick your own hair back. You can do this in a more casual, loose way, but today I'm going to go for the slick look as I'm going out tonight. So I've just got my comb and I've got a hair tie, and I'm just going to pull all of that back. My hair is a little bit dirty. It hasn't been washed for a few days, which also helps my hair slick back way easier. Now that I've got my hair slicked back, I'm going to grab a hair tie and just wrap that around, making sure it's in the position I want it. I'm using the NAC Hair Fixation Finishing Spray. I absolutely love this spray. Again, it has a nice firm hold. Okay, so now that I'm happy with my ponytail and where it's sitting, and I'm also making sure that this is really secure, because this is a lot more weight than this much hair, so you need this to be quite tight and quite firm. This needs to be a good foundation for your ponytail to grip to and hang. Here's the clip here, and we want to place that directly in the center of our ponytail so you can get it quite firm and quite strongly underneath. So I'm going to place that over my hair, combing it in my hair and directly underneath that elastic. Then I'm going to grab my end, and remember that this part is Velcro, so that sticks to here. So I'm going to want to wrap it around underneath my ponytail, making sure that no hair gets caught, and Velcroing it to the other side. Now that that's Velcroed, that's secure like so, but you can see all of this wetting here, which is why this amazing extension has hair here. So we're going to wrap that all around, all the way to the end, just to hide any weft. I'm going to take a bobby pin, and I'm just going to pin that little glass bit in underneath and hide it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clip in your ponytail extension. So just to recap, the extensions I'm wearing are Erabella Hair. They are in 20 inches, they are 140 grams, and this is the shade Dirty Blonde. On another note, the eyelashes I'm currently wearing are also Erabella, and I'm living for them. They're super thick and glamorous. The link to Arabella's website will be in the description, where you can shop and check them out for your own, and if you use the code SASS, you get 10% off your purchase. So if you want to check these out and shop for these, that's also in the description link. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you in some sort of way. If you have any questions about the company, the extensions, or how to pick your shade, don't be afraid to message me or message Erabella Hair, because we would love to help you out. So thanks so much for watching. Welcome back to my channel, and hopefully you'll see me more soon and you'll see more hair videos. Links to all my social medias are in the description. If you like this video, don't be afraid to like it, comment, subscribe, you know the deal. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you again very soon.